Hi guys, it's your girl being Natasha Nicole here, and I am coming through to do a hair review for you guys. This hair review is featuring QTHair. This vendor is off of Amazon, which is where I purchased my hair from. But first off, for all my newbies here, which I've gained a lot of new subscribers, and thank you guys so very much. I hope you guys feel welcome into the family. Come on. I'm sorry, I do sound a little still sick. I'm just not getting over the flu, so that's why I kind of been gone. But other than that, we're back now. So we're doing this hair review, which is very long overdue, featuring the brand QTHair. Like I said, and this hair is in timeout. Let me look it up. I forgot what kind it is. Okay, so this hair is the Peruvian Loose Deep Curly from QTHair. Says it's 10A. I don't ever know what that means. But I purchased this hair for $124, and I did purchase the bundles in the lengths 22, 20, 18, and a 16-inch frontal. And this is not the natural wave of this hair, but it's very close. Actually last night, just because I knew I was actually like going to film this today, I actually kind of like did a few twists just to kind of make everything kind of like blend. I like the way that it looks. So yeah, so this is the hair. I really don't have many complaints about this hair because this hair is new. Has only been a week. About this hair, anything as far as pros, I love the density of the hair. The hair is nice and full. I do like the natural curl pattern on it as well. And the hair came super quick. I got the hair within like 2 days. It said it was going to be like 4 or 5 days, but I got it in like 2 days. So the delivery was amazing. I actually talked with the owner of the vendor, and she was just really, really nice. This is not a sponsored video. I did buy this hair just, randomly, how I go on Amazon and just pick out my hair. I just pick out the lowest price, and I bring it to you guys, and y'all can, do what you want with this information. But I just try to be, economically efficient. I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on hair because I'm always changing it up or always doing something. So I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on hair. Like $300 and $400 for a few bundles and a closure is like absurd to me. I'm not about that life. So I'm here to always bring y'all the best deals. Stuff that I find, and the only reason I usually never even pay more than like $100 for hair usually, just because I don't like to. But since I decided to go just a little bit longer, and this is 22 inches, so this hits me like right at my boob area. Since I got 22 inches, that's why it was like $124. Usually, I do like 18 and then kind of, stagger my layers going up, 18 being my longest, and I can get away with spending about $100 or so. But yeah, since it's still a little bit wintertime, I just knew that I wanted just a little bit longer. I haven't had longer hair in a long time, and right now I'm actually getting ready to go to work, so I'm not doing too much with this hair because I have to pull it back. I'm a bartender, so it'll probably be up some kind of way, but I just want to get this video out there for you guys. But yeah, where was I? Where did I leave off at? I just get to rambling. Oh, the pros. I really like the hair. Density. Affordable. Cute. Okay, so for cons, okay, I do have like maybe 2 or 3 cons about this hair. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm not gonna, I'm just gonna tell y'all how it is, what I experienced, what I think. Okay, so for cons for this hair, number 1, the color of the lace. The lace on this wig, or on the frontal, was a little bit darker. I usually like to have like a translucent lace, but when you're paying no money at all, you really don't get a choice to, they don't give you the option as to what color lace that you want with this hair. Some vendors do. This one didn't. It wasn't too bad. I was able, to kind of blend it in. Of course, I did pluck the hairline. The hairline did not come plucked on this hair. Yeah, so I made it work. I just put the foundation that, matched my skin tone onto it, and I guess it came out okay. I'm not mad at it. I like it. So it's not too bad. That's a con. Another thing is I have gotten a little bit of shedding, but I don't know if it's more so coming from the frontal part from where I pluck the hairline. But I do, like, even like now, after it's been washed, I can still get like 3 or 4 strands here and there. But I mean, it's kind of expected with curly hair because this is deep curly. Did I say loose, deep, loose, deep, deep, loose, loose, deep, curly? So I mean, you can expect a little bit of shedding with curly hair, but nothing that I'm like overwhelmed with and I don't like. Another con for this hair with the frontal, I wish I was trying to find a picture. I feel like I took a picture of the hair before I put the wig together. I'm gonna try to find that, and if I so, I'll post that right here. But I hate how straight the frontal is and then it goes curly. You can tell it's like a processed curl, it's not like a natural curl. But like I said, it's $124. So I mean, I can't be all the way picky. So that's why I find myself just doing like just twists at nighttime. I do wear my wigs maybe 1 to 2 days at a time because I don't do anything special. I just put it on what got to be glued spray. So you know, I like to redo it every couple of days. But yeah, so at nighttime I just find myself doing, you know, the twist, and that kind of gives me like that little textured look here, so it's not like so straight. Another con about this hair, I really don't have any more cons. I mean, it's only been a week, so yeah. So overall, I really don't have much to say about this hair. This hair is bomb. I like it a lot. It's cute. I like the pattern on it now that I know that, you know, how to kind of get my frontal to do like how I want to. I do like it. Overall, I've gotten plenty of compliments on this hair. And if you do follow me on Instagram, that's where you saw me first. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, by the way. I'm _ Natasha Nicole on Instagram, and I posted this hair when I first did it, and honestly, I didn't like the way that I plucked it. I didn't like the lace of it, how much lace I had. So, you know, it takes some tweaking. After a while, that was my initial review, or not my initial review, my initial time putting, God dang it, I can't talk. My first time putting the wig on. So, cutting it and everything. So, you know, you're going to tweak it every time you kind of do something different until you like it, or until you get to a place where, okay, it's perfect. And for me now, I feel like even today I cut off more lace off the front of it, and I must say, like, I love it a lot more. Like, it looks a lot more natural. Like, I had like some gaps in there. I don't know. I'm not perfect at plucking laces. Plucking lace is something that you have to work on. It's a skill. It is a skill. So when you see people doing it and it looks like it's perfect all the time, I guarantee they've done a lot of them. And for me, I only wear frontals during the wintertime. For y'all of those that are new, so you will see my frontal reviews more so during the wintertime. Summertime, I just have on my lace closures because, you know, your girl be sweating, it be hot. And I just feel like the thing is like sliding off my head, and I hate that. And I don't use regular glue. So, yeah. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit your notification bell as well. So you will see all the upcoming videos that I have coming. So I'm going to get out of here because I got to go to work, and I was trying to hurry up and not forget to film an intro. I'm very bad about forgetting to film intros. So, boom. Booyah. There you go.